Hi everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another layout for the Unscrapped Bundle of Joy series with Melissa Vining. And I'm actually going to be doing a pocket page this time. So as you can see, I have a pocket page there in my album all ready to go. And this is going to go next to that Dream On Baby Girl layout that I've already made. I'm just putting in a sticky note so that I know where this is going to go back in my album. So that's just a tip for you if you scrapbook like I do and put all your photos in your album before you get scrapping. So I have pulled out my pocket page. I'm just going to work on this side because I haven't done the facing page for the other side of this pocket yet. And I like to theme my pocket pages to not to match necessarily, just to complement the full page layout that is going opposite, because I do mix in my my 12 by 12s and my pocket pages in the same albums. And I decided to do a pocket page today because I'm actually making really good progress on my baby daughter's album, in no small part thanks to this series. So I thought, as I've done so many 12 by 12s, the pocket pages have been very neglected. It's one of the things I do probably the least often, but I thought I would just bash one out. So you can see there, I had actually already put a few cards in the protector, and I put them in there quite a while ago just because I knew that they would match that 12 by 12. So I just stashed them in the pocket there so that they would be ready to go when I was ready to sit down and make this pocket page layout. So I have just chopped that journal card down, I have distressed the edges, and then I popped it onto that 6 by 8 card there. 6 by 8? 4 by 6 card. It's actually, most of these are just cut down pieces from 12 by 12 papers. They're scraps, or, you know, pieces that, like that pink top right bit of paper is actually part of the same paper that is on the facing page. So it all coordinates nicely. So I'm just sticking that photo down on top of that, that lettering. It's kind of like a tile lettering, pink and white paper, because the photo was just a bit too small. Now I'm sticking that down. Now that paper I've used to stick that You Are Beautiful card on top of, it's actually got the branding strip at the bottom still attached, and I really like the butterflies, so I want to keep that. I'm just covering up, I'm using that die cut to cover up that floral on the tag because it just didn't match, but I really like the tag, so I wanted to include that. And I'm going to pop in this this title of, I can't remember what this set of thickers is from, which collection, I'm sorry. I feel like it might be a Pebbles baby one, I'm not sure, but it's just a bunch of gold foiled foam thickers with cute baby phrases on it. I got it a while ago. It's pretty old, I think. Before I put the rest of the title down, I just wanted an idea of where it was going to go, so that's why the S is just there all by itself. But I wanted to do some splatters, so I didn't want to put the whole title down because I didn't want to have to clean off splatters off all the letters. So I just did some white Liquitex acrylic ink and some gold Kaiser mist as per usual. And the rest of the title is going in now, which is Hugs and Kisses. And now I'm just going to pop some journaling on this tag. I don't think you can see it at this distance. You might be able to see it in the close-ups, but there's a bit of a grid design on this tag, which made it really nice for journaling. So I'm just writing in that she was determined to stay awake for her entire newborn photo shoot, which is when these photos were taken. She would not sleep at all. We only got a couple of photos of her sleeping, and we were hours at it trying to get this newborn shoot done, but in the end we only got a couple of sleep shots, but we got, you know, lots of cuddles, so lots of cute awake photos, which is fine as well. She was not a sleepy baby in any sense of the word. So I just added some strings twine, embroidery thread into my tag there. I used a mint green and a white, and I just popped a couple of spots of glue behind to keep that in place, and that glue dries clear. It's just tacky glue, so that's fine. I'm putting in some of these star die cuts there. They're actually ones I've just cut out of some scrap glitter paper. Those enamel dots are from the Glitter Girl collection by Chamel, so I'm just using some of the stars. One of the photos has some blue in it, and there's not a lot of blue anywhere else, so I do try to bring in some blue in the stickers and the enamel stars. So here I'm just going through and outlining this scripty font. It was just looking a little bit, I don't know, boring. So I'm just putting in a shadow with my black pigment micron. And you can see there a bit closer how I've done the distressing on the edge of that card. It really adds a bit of extra interest. And now I'm just going through with another pigment micron, just in a slightly thinner tip, and doing some faux stitching all the way around the outside. And I'll add some more of these little stars in. So the facing page has stars on it. You would have seen at the start. So it's got some silver and gold, but I think I'm mostly gold rather on this page. These are some of the stickers. A lot of this collection is Echo Park Hello Baby. So that's what those stickers are from. I'm just using my homemade baby album kit. So I'm popping in a label now, just there. That's just a printable one that I have in my stash. I have a little dish of them. And I'm just going to pop in just one line of journaling. I think it just says loving grandpa hugs, and a little heart. And then I'll pop this little bit of chipboard in. That's from that same Echo Park collection. Just says baby girl. And then a couple more stars, a little pink one and a gold glitter one. And that card is done. Now this one I just wanted to add a little bit to it because there's a lot of black in the background. So there's our really dark navy sofa, and I think that's our piano behind it, which is black also. So I just wanted to add some splatters on the dark part of this photo where there's no people and nothing really interesting. So I've just the white and the gold, and I made sure to cover their faces really well. I don't want it anywhere near faces, so there we go. It just jazzes it up a little bit. And those splatters really pop on the dark background as well. So this one I'm just going to add a couple of stickers. I'm going to add this one, I think it says you are so loved. And then the little bunny, I thought he was really cute. I've got so many of these stickers left. The little enamel star, and then one of the stickers off the sticker sheet. And that is it. So yay, another page done in the baby album. I'm really pleased with my progress on this. Actually, I've come really far in a short period of time. So thank you for watching today. Don't forget to check out Melissa's channel. The link is in the description box, and I'll see you next month. Bye.